Ruth Bader Ginsburg famously said, "Women belong in all places where decisions are being made." She spent her life trying to make sure that happened. As a military spouse with an infant in the 1950s, Ginsburg understood the challenges women faced in the workplace. While working for the Social Security Administration, she was demoted for becoming pregnant and later began to question whether she should go to law school.
Father's advice was, well, Ruth, if you don't want to go to law school, no one will think the less of you. But if you really want to go to law school, you will pick yourself up. You will stop feeling sorry for yourself. You will find a way.
And she did. She graduated from Columbia Law School and went on to co-found the ACLU's Women's Rights Project, arguing 6 cases before the Supreme Court, winning 5.
I looked up at that bench, the 9 most important judges in the United States. I had a captive audience.
Yes.
They had no place to go. They had to listen to me.
So help me God.
So help me God.
In 1993, she became the 107th Supreme Court Justice, the first Jewish woman and second woman on the court. In 96, she wrote the majority opinion in U.S. v. Virginia, a case that fought for a woman's place in the all-male Virginia Military Institute. And Ginsburg's more than half-century push for justice extended to all. She took up fights against capital punishment and in defense of the LGBTQ community.
You just got Ginsburned.
In the 2000s, Ginsburg's legacy transitioned from legal pioneer to liberal pop culture icon. From children's books to meme queen to the subject of films like 2018's On the Basis of Sex.
I'm cramping and I'm working out with an 85-year-old woman.
She was also a health icon, battling cancer numerous times. However, her work on women's issues takes center stage, with tributes continuing throughout the weekend of her death.
Honestly, I wouldn't have gone to law school if it wasn't for RBG. She was an icon, and she did so much for us, and that will never be forgotten.
And the tributes extend beyond our borders, with Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau calling Ginsburg a fearless advocate for women. Amber Strong, Newsy, Northern Virginia.